Hi guys, okay, so I want to explain the oddity of today's upload. It confused me as well. You're not the only one. So here we see July 27th, two videos uploaded on July 27th, but I only authorized uploading one video, which was the play button video where I was thanking everybody for the follows and everything that helped me earn a play button. Somehow, this video right here was uploaded the same day and I was totally unaware. Now, whenever I upload a video, I get updates on the progress of that video throughout the day. I get comments. The comments will literally pop up on my phone. Not all of them, but a good amount. Enough to let me know that video is live. Things are happening. I get updates on views. I get updates on things. The only video I was updated on that whole day was this one, which is the play button video. For some reason, this one uploaded at the exact same time. Now, it hasn't gotten very many views. As you can see, my videos usually do much better than that, especially my mystery videos. My mystery videos do very good. Look at this, 34,000 views. This one has 6.2 thousand views. So it's very, very strange. Why did this video upload? It has 50 some comments. Usually I get a lot more comments than that. Here is the video that uploaded on the 27th, but apparently wasn't visible until the 7th. And you'll note every single video I have ever uploaded on any of my channels, I always leave hearts next to the comments for the first couple of days. I read the comments and then I heart them, acknowledging that I read the comment. Not a single heart. I never saw any of these comments. And here we have somebody who's confused that they're seeing this video now, but it says that it uploaded 11 days ago. So that would have been the 27th. And it says only 65 views and no comments. It says Twilight Zone. I am in the Twilight Zone with you. 11 other people said that they just got it today. It only showed up for me today. So I had no idea. I had no idea that this video uploaded on either the 27th or the 7th. I didn't get any of these comments. As you can see, I haven't reacted to a single comment. I had no idea that this video was even live on my channel. I have still to this day yet to get a single update on this video outside of just now today realizing it was live and then manually going and checking it out. It is wild. Look at this, not a single. I always interact with the comments in some way, so this is thoroughly throwing me off. I only upload one video in a day if I'm going to upload, just the one. And so this is just wild to me, and it's still live. I don't understand. So here's the order of the videos. You might recognize some of them. So here's the 1970s mittens, and then here is the granny square crochet mystery pattern. This is the French one. Here's where we checked out and played with the Crocnet. And then immediately following that was supposed to be the play button video. And what time did that go live? Okay, so this video went live at 7:02 a.m. Okay, that's correct. I never upload anything at 9 a.m. ever. So this is a fluke. This went up at 7 a.m. and then I started working. I was in the middle of working, making the 1977 crochet mittens. And apparently this just automatically, YouTube just decided to automatically put this one up. So it is very, very strange that this video uploaded and has been live. Now here's another strange thing. When did it actually upload? Hi, you can see my reflection. Look at this bar right here. Supposedly it uploaded on the 27th, right? You can see right there. Saturday at 9:02 a.m. I never upload videos at 9 a.m. All of my videos go up between 5 and 8 a.m. So this uploaded at 9 a.m., which is very strange, and it got no views, none. And then all of a sudden, on the 7th, it started getting views. Isn't that strange? And look at the little, look at up here is where my views typically are. So you can see that it's hardly getting any views. And then I uploaded it today, that I manually uploaded it today, totally unaware that this video supposedly went up on the 27th, but was beginning to be viewed on August 7th. I don't get it at all. This is, and it earned subscribers. Look at this. So I'm totally confused. I don't understand how something like this happened. So the video is getting new views right now, and it's doing pretty good, but it's getting new eyeballs on it. A lot of people who did not see it on either the 27th, which nobody saw it, or on the 7th, which apparently a few people saw it. And from what I'm being told, some people were in the middle of watching it and then it disappeared. While it was still live, apparently it disappeared. The one that supposedly went up on the 27th and then again on the 7th. So I have no idea what's going on with this video, but it is getting new views. So I'm going to keep this video up. I realize that at least 6,200 of you have already seen it, and I really appreciate it. So I get the confusion. I understand why you're confused. I'm also confused. So we do have more videos coming up, and there is a part 2 of this video that will be up on the 18th. I will make sure to that. So I wanted to take a moment to say I am really sorry. I would never treat my channel this way. I would never treat those of you who watch this channel this way. It's some kind of glitch in the matrix or something. But I also wanted to remind a lot of you, since I have recently come to the realization that a lot of you are unaware of my other channel. It's what I lovingly refer to as my junk drawer channel. I do some tutorials on there, but it's not crochet or fiber arts at all. I sometimes do my nails on there. I do my makeup on there, and I just chit chat and talk, and we vlog and we go for drives, and we just sort of, that's why it's my junk drawer channel, because it's not a beauty channel. It's not, I also like talk about perfume over there, and I just do a whole bunch of stuff over there that's also within the realm of my interests, which is makeup, hair, nails, wigs. You know, I don't have a lot of hair, so I wear wigs a lot. We go for drives, so we do driving vlogs. We go to the thrift shop, we go to the store. And we just chit chat and we talk, and I catch up on my real life on that channel there, which I had a major, you know, life situation happen in my home over the summer, which is why my videos have been so sparse. And I go into a lot of that explanation of that over on my Everyday Karina channel, which is just sort of my junk drawer channel, but I love it. Who doesn't love a junk drawer? You find all the cool stuff in there. So I'm going to leave a link in the description box and in the pinned comment for my other channel. So for those of you who have already seen this video, but you want something else to watch, and perhaps you like me, and so you want something else from me, my Everyday Karina channel is a great way to catch up with just me, the woman, instead of me, the hands. Okay, guys, I love you lots. Thank you so much for all of your understanding and your patience, and for your very thoughtful questions about this video. Now, you're seeing this video today, even though the messed up video went up yesterday. And that is the only reason I did that, is because you have to play the YouTube game. If I upload 2 videos in one day, one of them will get suppressed in views in favor of the other. So either you won't see this video or you won't see the mystery video that I have up. One of the two is going to get suppressed. So I have to wait until today to upload this video, instead of immediately following all of the confusion from yesterday. And I'm so sorry about that. That's just the YouTube algorithm. You know, you have to play YouTube's game. Okay, guys, go check out my Everyday Karina channel. There's some really great stuff on there. I don't vlog very often on there. Sometimes I have spurts where I do a lot of videos in a row. And I happen to be doing a lot of videos right now because I have a lot of downtime right now. Only because I'm so caught up on videos for this channel. I have videos scheduled to go out until like the 24th or the 25th. And that's another reason why I'm so confused, because this video was scheduled to go out Yeah, today, the 15th. So why it went out on the 27th and then was completely invisible until the 7th, I have no idea. I really don't know. Hopefully that never happens again because I don't like that. But if you are disappointed that that mystery video was all that you got and you already saw it, go check out Everyday Karina. I promise you there's a lot of stuff in there that you've never seen. And a lot of it is just me doing my makeup, which I'm not a YouTuber, so I'm not a pro and I don't have all the pro equipment and the lighting and all that. It's just me putting on the makeup I'm going to wear to go out in. Playing with wigs. I show you how I do my nails. Like I don't have any nails on right now because I'm letting them kind of grow out a little bit and get healthy. And I don't know. It's a junk drawer channel. Okay. Love you guys. I will see you on the 18th for the follow-up of yesterday's confusion mystery video. Bye. I love you so much.